Imagine working for months on something you love, and then watching it all vanish overnight. That's exactly what happened to Arun, a gardener who thought he had built his dream garden. But when the storm came, only one part of it survived. And what he discovered that night carries a lesson about life and money that most people never learn until it's too late. Arun wasn't a rich man. He lived in a small village, but he loved his little piece of land. Every day after work, he would plant something new. A row of tall trees, bushes for shade, and colorful flowers to brighten the path. His neighbors laughed. Why so many different things? Just plant one crop and sell it. But Arun didn't care. To him, the garden was his pride. One evening, as Arun was watering his plants, the sky darkened. A heavy storm rolled in. Winds howled, trees bent, and rain poured down like buckets. Arun stood helpless as lightning struck nearby. His garden, the thing he spent years building, was being torn apart. By morning it was over. Arun stepped outside, his heart sinking. Most of his flowers were gone. The shrubs had been destroyed. Some of the trees had fallen too. He sat on the muddy ground, staring at the mess, feeling like everything was lost. But then, Arun noticed something. Not everything was destroyed. A few of the trees were still standing, their deep roots holding firm. Some shrubs survived, shielding the soil from erosion. And in a corner, a handful of flowers had somehow made it through, still bright and alive. It wasn't much, but it was enough to start again. That's when Arun realized why he planted everything differently. If he had only planted flowers, he would have lost it all. If he had only planted trees, he would still be broken. But because he had many types of plants, at least some of his garden survived. His variety had saved him. Arun's garden is just like our money. If you put everything into one place, one job, one business, one stock, then one storm can wipe it all away. But when you spread your seeds, savings, investments, skills, something always survives. That's the power of diversification. It doesn't protect you from the storm, but it protects you from losing everything. Arun rebuilt his garden, stronger and wiser this time. He never stopped planting, but he always remembered the storm. And just like him, you have a choice: put all your eggs in one basket, or spread your seeds so something always grows back. The question is, are you building a garden that can survive a storm? Like Arun's garden, your money needs variety to survive. Don't depend on one seed, spread them wisely. If this story made you think, hit subscribe and join us for more money lessons through stories. And don't forget, every story here is a lesson in disguise.